Hello everyone and welcome to IRA tutorial. This is Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 6 subject English unit 2 topic 2.1 the coastlines question and answers or English workshop. So let us start with the first question. Read the poem aloud and recite any stanza of your choice from memory. Question number 2. Answer the following question with reference to the poem. That means in first question only you have to read the poem. In second question what you have to do? Answer the following question. First, what is described in the poem? So what is described in the poem? The fluttering and dancing clothes on the clothesline and poet's handkerchief are described in the poem. What are the clothes compared to? Give two examples. So clothes are compared to restive horses and fairy tale witches. What do restive horses do? The restive horses caper and prank. What do fairy tale witches do? Fairy tale witches dance wildly. What do one of the fluttering creature do? One of the fluttering creature dance wildly, struggling, and freed herself and then flew off. So here who is the struggling creature? Fluttering creature. Fluttering creature is handkerchief of the poet. What could have happened to the one who flew away? Who was she? The one who flew away could have fallen in a ditch somewhere or drowned in sea, and she was poet's handkerchief. Question number 3. Form a group and discuss the following questions. Why are the clouds compared to living things? Because the clouds are doing activity like living things, for example dancing, moving hither, struggle for freedom, shiver and skip. So all these activities are like human being, and that's why clothes are compared to the human beings. B. The event described in the poem take place at a certain place at a certain period of years under specific weather conditions. Describe the place, the time and the weather conditions. So place is maybe a backyard or back garden. Time is March and weather is cold but sunny. Question number 4. When we say that two or more words rhyme, we mean that they end with the same sound or syllable. For example, drink, sing. Rhyming words are often used in the words that end of the line. List the rhyming words from the poem and note the words behind and wind. So what is the difference between? So here we want to learn about the types of rhymes. So I rhymes, they have similar spelling, that is they look the same but they are pronounced differently, that is they do not sound the same, they are known as I rhyme. So now here from this separate the examples of I rhyme from the following list. So this list is given to you. Let us see which are the I rhymes. So I rhymes are laughter, daughter, none, shown, shut, put, imply, simply. So these are the I rhymes. With our eyes we can identify that these are the rhyming words, but their sounds are their pronunciations are different. Question number 5. List all the phrases from the poem in which two or more words are joined with end. So they are hither and thither, to and fro, caper and prank, shiver and skip, pegs and clothesline, flipping and flapping and flopping are the phrases which are combined with end. Question number 7. Wash your handkerchief clean, hang it with a peg to dry in the wind and watch now how it flutters. So that is activity. Now question number 8. Complete the following comparison. As white as snow, as red as cherry, as black as coal, as green as grass, as blue as the sky, as bright as a star. Rewrite this comparison using the comparative degree. Whiter than snow, greener than grass, redder than cherry, bluer than sky, blacker than coal, and brighter than a star. Find the suitable objects for the each comparison. For example, petals of flowers or feathers whiter than snow. So emeralds greener than grass, lips redder than cherry, water bluer than sky, hair blacker than coal, and eyes brighter than a star. Okay, so that is all about the discussion of the question and answers from 2.1 poem, that is the clothes line. If you have any difficulty in the questions which we have discussed today, please do write in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can see the explanation of the poem. Link is given in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.